The time has come. You guys can already tell what today's video is going to be about just by the title of this video. The G37 front conversion is going down, guys. Now, I was gonna wait until 5,000 subscribers, but a lot of you guys be sleeping, a lot of you guys be watching my videos and you aren't subscribed. So please show some support. Go down, hit that subscribe button. It is completely free, guys, and there is a lot of amazing stuff to come with this car. And if you guys have not seen my previous video, check it out. We got some new taillights on, which we are going to be opening up probably once the front end is completely done. Then we'll be opening these up and getting these done. These are the 06 model depot taillights. I have not seen anybody with them. They are pretty new. I'm stoked for them. But anyways, guys, so today's video, we're gonna begin tearing apart the front end, and that's just the beginning of it. Once we get all of that done, we gotta pretty much just start cutting and modifying and doing this and doing that, doing whatever it takes to get that G37 front conversion on. I am so hyped, guys. I hope you guys are as well. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but this is the last time you guys will see this car like this. Look how good this looks, aired out. That shit looks so sick. I don't know what it is about that, but dude, that's pretty dope. I really like it. So we have everything pretty much removed. Like I said, radiator support has to still come off. Damn, the car seems so much lower with no hood. It's like really, really low. But pretty much everything is gonna have to be, you know, disconnected and whatnot. Everything off the front has to be disconnected and whatnot. And then pretty much from there, we're pretty much ready to begin. Throwing on the new radiator support, getting that trimmed and cut and everything. If you guys have not seen my previous video with the taillights, check it out, because I show you everything that I do have for the G37. So everything's pretty much ready to go. I'm super stoked for it. That's definitely a thumbnail right there though. So I'm gonna pick up this video probably, I'm pretty busy this weekend. So I'm probably, I don't know, maybe we'll do it later tonight when it cools down. Open up the garage and just begin tearing everything off the front, getting that whole thing completely removed. Or we'll probably do it Sunday or Monday. I don't know yet. But stay tuned for it, guys. Hit that thumbs up so far if you guys are enjoying it. Oh man, this thing's gonna be looking badass. All right, guys, we got it pulled back into the garage, and dude, this is literally where I always park. I have X's right there where I line up with my mirror, and I pull it in pretty much as far back as I can. I can go a little bit more back, but as you can see, we have a lot of space, or still plenty of space. But now with the front end removed, usually the front end comes to like here, and now with it removed, there's actually a lot of space to work. So I'm super happy about that. Plenty of space to feel comfortable. But my battery light is flashing, so that means I'm gonna have to charge the battery. I'm gonna pick up this camera within the next couple of days. So the next clip, we're gonna be removing the entire radiator support. It's out. So everything is officially out and ready to go in. Big old rat nest or something right there. So yeah, this is awesome. I'm excited. I need to put something underneath just so this doesn't drop and whatnot. And then we'll get the new support up and yeah, just start kind of mounting everything up and whatnot. But I'm super excited. We officially have the entire front end removed. Now, somebody who has really been helping me out is Eddie. Check out his YouTube, I'll put it right here. He also did the G37 front conversion, and he's been kind of walking me through this and whatnot. And I noticed on something he did was actually removed the radiator kind of out of the way and whatnot. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to mount the new one up without having to do that the best that I can. So just to save me a little bit of, you know, headache and whatnot. But while we're here, I think the next thing we're gonna do is a wire tuck. Actually, I used to have a wire tuck, but then I had a big issue with my car, if you guys remember. So I had to pretty much reverse everything to try to find what it was. But now I think I want to do the wire tuck again, because I really want to get everything painted in here, make it look nice, and I feel like now is the time to do it pretty much. So this is crazy. This is like, wow, unreal. But I'm so excited, guys. I think that's where we're gonna leave off. This is part 1, the G37 front conversion. Smash that subscribe button if you guys are not already. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Still quite a bit of work to do. I think we have to remove this, I'm pretty sure, and get a new one. There's still, most part have everything, but there are still quite a few things that I am going to need. But nonetheless, I am so hyped. I hope you guys are as well. And I hope to catch you in part 2. I don't know what we're gonna do in part 2 yet, whether it's gonna be the harness tuck, or if we're going to just start putting everything on and maybe just keep that and do that another time. I don't know. I feel like now is the time to do it. So I don't know, we'll see, but I hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Until next time, as always, peace out.